Ndugamano ya kiuteti igie mishemanio ya riboti ya BBI na iria ingirite kiumia gia gatatu riu nithiite na mbere kuoya mwerekera mweru muthenya thutha wa ugi. Umuthi gikundi kia atongoria aria makoragwo magitabania mishemanio ino makinyita ugeni murugamo wa atongoria mwahuri unyitaga mbaru munini wa President William Ruto. Na aria maugite ni mekwambiriria kunyita itemi mishemanio ino ya BBI kwambiriria kiumia giki thutha wa kung'atheria mishemanio ya mbere iri kaunti-ini ya Kisii na Kakamega.
Saturday sisi wote tuelekea kule Mombasa na kila mtu, manake ni mkutano wa hadhara, kila mtu anaitwa kule, aende kule tuwasikize watu wa Mombasa. Weekend hiyo ingine tuelekee kwingine.
BBI being led by our party leader Uhuru Kenyatta is Jubilee position. Being led by party leader of NASA Raila Odinga is a NASA position, but beyond that it is a position of the people of Kenya.
If you want to join Kenyans in building peace and bringing Kenyans together, let it come with clean hands, so that we join hands together as Kenyans, because that is what the BBI is about. It's about uniting Kenyans, it's about bringing peace to this country, and it's about having a prosperous nation from now going forward.
Ona kuri uguo nyiti ugeni uyu ukire na mikana miruru kuri gikundi giki gia Tagataga na aria angi magekinyia mucemanio-ini uyu mwena wa Mombasa, makirwo aria othe magakorwo na itanya ria gututhura ngui-ini makang'ethanirwo nao kiwatho.
One, they should come in a very good mood. Let them come with smiles. It is a jubilation. It's a happy thing.
We are welcoming them, but they must come with a decorum. They must come respectfully, like Kenyans who want to attend a meeting that is for Kenyans, and it's about peace, and it's about unity, it's about those kind of things. But if they are coming to, in any way, to attempt to undermine that meeting or to create any slightest chaos, we are prepared for them.
Ni mucemanio utanyitwo gututhura ndugamano gatagati ga ikundi ici igiri cia atongoria kumana na mirugamo ngurani iria makoretwo manyitĩtie. Tagataga ikihinyĩrĩria gĩtũmi kĩao kũnyita itemi mĩcemanio-inĩ ĩno nĩgetha gũtarĩria Akenya mendekithia ma BBI. Na ihinda-inĩ rĩu kũng'ethanĩra na atongoria arĩa makoretwo makĩhũthĩra mĩcemanio ĩno kũhũra arĩa angĩ kĩũteti.
Mĩcemanio ĩrĩa ĩrĩkĩtwo ĩkoretwo ĩrongoreirie mũno maũndũ ma ũtongoria na atongoria na itĩ. Nĩ tũrenda gũcokia rũĩ mũkaro nĩgetha twarĩrĩrie maũndũ marĩa makonia andũ aitũ.
Politicians think about the next election. We as leaders think about the next generation. Raila Odinga said in Kakamega, he doesn't have to be president. Musalia Mudavadi said he doesn't have to be president, but Kenya must be united. So we're telling them to shed off those lenses of myopia of 2022. 2022 will come, it will go. But beyond that, what kind of country will we live? That is what BBI is about, and that is what we are doing.
Maya magithiaga na mbere kamiti ya BBI na iria yacabithirio ngathĩti-inĩ ya thirikari nĩ ĩteanĩirie riboti atĩ mĩcemanio ĩno ĩkoretwo ĩkĩhithũkĩrwo nĩ atongoria a kĩũteti. Gũkũ Paul Mwangi ũrĩa nĩ mwandĩki wa kamiti ĩno augĩte nĩ makoretwo na nĩ megũthiĩ na mbere kũnyita itemi mĩcemanio-inĩ ĩno nĩguo gũthomithia Akenya.
What people have seen are the political rallies, but behind those political rallies there have been a delegates forum, and the delegates forum is what we attend. And we attend to meet the delegates that have been brought. They have been calling 500 delegates per county. So we sit with those delegates, our experts sit with them, discuss the report, explain the contents, and interact and receive their views, and also maybe answer to any queries that they might have about the report.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Jitagwo Mwaura, Wagunya.